So guys, I saw a video that the share that short, and then I saw the guy arguing like this. Where's the eyes? Where's the angry face? Like this. Where's the flipping? And there's a guy touched him. Marimo. I touched him like this. Uh, and he goes like turn around and he falls in immediately falls in love with him. And the other two guys in the left, and the guy on the back touch the guy on the front. La- like bro, that was a yellow hair, bro. But the issue is I'm a yellow hair. Oh no. Well, try not to get touched. So I don't know, man. Goodbye.